Welcome. In today's video, we walk you through how to create and configure a bill of materials in Odoo 19, using a real restaurant example to define ingredients, quantities, and production routes.
To get started, navigate to Products tab and click Product. Under Food category, locate and select salmon and avocado toast. Now, let's define the specific ingredients required to produce this item. To do this, head to the Smart button panel at the top of the record and click on Bill of Materials. Select New. Excellent. You are now in Configuration interface where you can fully define your product's components and manufacturing process. If the list of ingredients will be the same for salmon avocado toast, leave product variant field empty. Next, specify the quantity to be produced and, if necessary, assign the reference and select the appropriate company. Since we intend to prepare this dish in the house at the restaurant, ensure the route is set to manufacture this product. Finally, in the line below, add each required ingredients, along with precise quantity needed for production. Miscellaneous tab has several advanced settings for further refine your production process. For instance, the flexible consumption field allows you to define whether your team can deviate from exact quantities specified in the recipe. You can also set the manufacturing lead time to reflect the duration required to prepare the dish, while the days to prepare manufacturing order field specify the lead time needed to restock your ingredients. Now that primary options are configured, let's take a moment to review our bill of materials. To produce 10 servings of salmon and avocado toast, we require 2 loaves of bread, 1 pack of salmon, and 5 avocados. Right here, you can view the total cost of the entire batch, as well as the unit cost per individual sandwich.
Alex, where do I configure the price paid for each individual ingredient in the salmon avocado toast?
This is an excellent and important question. To manage this, navigate back to the products menu and search for your first ingredient, sourdough bread. Currently, the system shows we have 2 loaves in stock at the cost of $4.80 per loaf. Should your supplier price fluctuate, you can manually update the cost field here to reflect the new price point. To track where this specific ingredient is utilized across your menu, head to the Smart Buttons panel and click Used In. As expected, Odoo confirms that this sourdough is a component of the salmon and avocado toast.
And that's how you can create bill of materials in Odoo 19 using an industry standard approach. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tips.